Software Spring. Presence. How to use FVSCHEDULE in Google Sheets. Hello folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on using the FVSCHEDULE function. Let's begin with an introduction to FVSCHEDULE. FVSCHEDULE returns the future value of an investment at variable interest rates. Interest rates can be different in some, or all, of the years of the investment tenure. Okay, here's the format of the FVSCHEDULE function. Let's look at an example. Principal is the investment amount. Rate schedule is the schedule of interest rates, specified in a range of cells. The rates in the rate schedule can also be hard-coded into the formula. Alright, here's the objective of using the FVSCHEDULE function. To calculate the future value of an investment amount of Rs 30,000. Variable interest rates of 3%, 4%, 5%, 5%, and 6%, in year 1 to year 5 respectively. Investment time for 5 years. Okay, let me type the investment data here. Let's type the FVSCHEDULE function formula in this cell. First, type equal to FVS. Select FVSCHEDULE. For principal, click this cell. Type comma. For rate schedule, select this range. Press enter. There you go. This is the future value of the investment, with variable interest rates. Is it possible to calculate the future value for a single interest rate using the FVSCHEDULE function, assuming annual compounding of interest? Yes. Let's go ahead and use FVSCHEDULE to calculate the future value for each interest rate. Alright, let's type the formula here. As before, first, type equal to FVS, and select FVSCHEDULE. For principal, click this cell. Type comma. For rate schedule, select a single interest rate by clicking this cell. Press enter. Copy this formula to this cell. Specify this amount as the new principal. Copy this formula down these cells. Okay, these are the future values at different interest rates. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.